Hi guys, I'm Srishti.
Hi, I'm Dritika.
Hi, I'm Sanjana.
I am Zia.
And we are Besharam.
We are Besharam. And guys, can I tell you also something so
yeah.
important about us?
Yeah.
We are single.
We are single. We are just girls who I think we've given men too much importance, I feel. In our
we
lives.
need to decenter men.
We've given, we so need to decenter men
Yeah.
from our lives. We've given them chances. We've given them too much importance. I think it's high time we start not giving a shit about them
Yeah.
to the point where we unlearn a lot of things that we've
Yeah.
learned about men and how we deal with men.
Yeah.
And I feel it's time we find ways to sort of repel men for a while.
I agree. And honestly, the best way to decenter men is make a 1.5 hour episode about men.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's exactly how you
That's
do it.
exactly how you do it. And this is
लोहा
what-
को लोहा ही काटता है.
लोहे को लोहा ही काटता है. और यार, can I tell you also something? कि it is very, very, very difficult in today's day and age, knowing the kind of women that we are, how we know we can be single, we've been single and we like it. So it gets very difficult to find a man that does not piss you the hell off.
Yeah.
Like most of them will. I think, yes, women have evolved, men have also evolved in like a contrasting way.
Yeah.
And yes, you have to like look for it when you have to find somebody that you like, but there's so much R&D that goes into it.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
for women that have grown around a lot of strong female friendships, the bar is so high already.
Yeah. It's so true because like what your female friendships would do on a random Tuesday is what would be considered like
Princess
treatment for a guy.
Exactly.
And for a normal guy, okay, we're not even talking about the shitty men. We're
Yeah.
talking about the guy who
A decent man.
a decent man with standards. It's sad, but like a lot of them would think that, you know, buying us flowers would be like princess treatment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
not.
I'll be the first to say it. I have never received flowers.
I don't think I have either.
No, you've received a flower.
I have received a flower, but like, you know, because the flowers was passing by and he saw it.
Oh.
And he was like, oh, this is a good moment for me to stand out. I've never received
You
flowers
did
on
not
a date.
stand out. You stood out of my life, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you bought me one rose.
Wasn't that the day that you were going to break up with him, but you couldn't because he bought you that flower?
Yeah.
What the
Oh.
fuck?
Embarrassing.
No, I ended up ending it with him on that day only.
Oh,
Thank
you're,
God.
you're stronger than me.
3 months into talking, he got me a flower for the first time that time.
Mind you, a flower.
Oh, flower.
A flower, and that's when I had already made up my mind that I would end things with him. And I saw the flower, and I was like, one flower is enough reason to break up.
Oh, that happened to
so
me.
true.
That happened to me. It wasn't a real flower.
Oh my god.
Wasn't even real, guys.
Wasn't even real. It's fine. It's fine. You know what? It's okay. We live and we learn.
Yeah.
But I think there's something to be said about women who stay with men that are not great, but they're not too bad either. So things are
Yeah.
not bad enough to end, but they're not good enough to stay.
Yeah.
This is what I call a midwationship.
Ooh.
Dun dun
Oh.
dun.
I fuck with that
Exactly,
term
yeah.
so much.
Thank you.
I love it.
Same. Exactly what I was in.
A
like-
midwationship.
Yeah,
Motivation.
like 3-4 till
Yeah, last week, right? Last week. And then she ended that shit. You gotta
Wow.
stand up for yourself, guys.
Yeah.
If it's mid, then you don't deserve it.
Yeah.
And I love how we have that realization with a lot of midwationships that we have randomly. It's so
You
it'll
don't
come,
even want to get into them, but you're somehow there.
it'll come on an afternoon on a Thursday and you're like, whoa.
Bro,
I'm ending it.
Mine was
My third
so-
eye just opened.
Yeah.
Mine was so funny, so fucking funny. I had gone out with him for drinks and he had gotten me flowers and everything. Like, not, he used to think it was bare minimum. I would like it. And it was not the first time he had gotten me. He used to get me multiple times. Like, almost every time we met, I have received flowers from him.
Okay.
And then while we were even at the place where we had gone out for dinner and all, over there, so he had gotten me white roses because he knows I like lilies and he couldn't find white lilies anywhere.
Okay.
So he got me white roses, and then at the table across, I saw a girl with like bunch of sunflowers, and then I was just looking at them, and he had gone out, I think to park his car or something, or I don't know for what, and then he saw like a girl selling sunflower, and he was like, "अरे ये वैसे भी देख रही थी sunflower के पास." And then he got those bunch of sunflowers also for me.
Yeah.
So now I have bunch of sunflowers, bunch of roses,
Hmm.
and I have had a great fucking night with this man. But again, things were like low key. All of
Mid.
that.
It was a
Mid.
mid-relationship.
It was a mid-relationship at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And with those flowers in my hand, I'm going home and I'm like, I'm gonna end this tomorrow.
Oh no, Srushti's an asshole.
Is she though?
No, but so okay. To set the premise for the video, before we talk about why Srushti is or is not an asshole, I
Yeah.
think most of her actions are justified.
Yeah.
She just has a way to do it. But I think it. I really wanted today. I want to discuss the things that we've done when
Yeah.
we know we're in a mid-relationship and we want to break it up.
Yeah.
And this is my hottest take. Like this whole video, my hottest take is dumping somebody is
How?
far more difficult than being broken up with.
oh, 100%.
Dumping somebody is so difficult because number one, you burn the bridge.
Yeah.
They if there's going back happening, then it has to be you.
You.
Yeah.
Because now it's your move.
Yeah.
The ball is in your
The
court.
ball is in your court, and you don't want that. You want that random text being like, "I'm sorry, take me back."
Yeah. You don't want to be the one texting that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And once you dump somebody,
Yeah.
you cannot have second thoughts.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
If you're somebody that's sure of themselves, you cannot have second thoughts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
No, not at
honestly,
all.
I have been on the receiving end of getting dumped, and I've also dumped someone.
Yeah.
And
same.
I low-key don't know what's better. I genuinely don't know what's better because there have been times where I was very, very sure of that, like I want to dump this person.
Yeah.
And I love that power. I love to have that power. But then I also, I don't know, like
With
being,
great power comes great responsibility, babe.
But I also like being, no, I don't like being, but like it's also nice being on the receiving end of getting dumped or ghosted because then you're like, okay, it's their fault. You blame them completely. You put the blame on them
Yeah.
entirely.
And it's easier
It's
that
easier
way.
to
It's
move
easier.
on. True.
And
Honestly.
the thing that you do when you know that you want to kind of get dumped, I think we're going to discuss that in this
Yeah.
episode.
Yeah.
Like the things that we've intentionally done so that the person gets icked off by us
Yeah.
and then leaves.
And a lot of us are gonna sound extremely shitty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've done it yourself.
And honestly, this is educational. Like, take,
Yeah,
take
take it with a
what
pinch
you
of salt.
want.
Take
Take
it.
Yeah.
what you want from this video and
This
leave
is
it.
exactly the premise of how to lose a guy in 10 days.
Yeah.
I literally have made a video of myself before I think 3-4 days because I was like, I need to plan, bro.
Yeah.
I am now going to plan because I can't find problems with this man to pick and
True.
do a,
Yeah.
have a huge fight and be like, you know what, you fucked up. Bye.
Bye.
Well, you had
Yeah.
that chance.
I had that chance and I blew it off.
You blew
now.
it. Yeah.
Did anybody tell you to not blow it off? Did anybody
I
tell
wonder
you?
who.
I wonder who.
When the point had come where you could easily leave him.
Anyways.
But you know what? I feel like even though it may sound very shallow of us to talk about
Yeah.
this, unless you've been in a situation like this, you will genuinely not get where you come from when you take
Yeah.
these decisions.
Yes. Yeah.
Because it's not easy.
It's not.
It's really not easy putting yourself to a level so low.
Yeah.
But it's also so important to take that decision
Yeah.
and take that step because
Yeah.
you're like, I don't have enough reason to break up, but I also don't have enough reason to stay.
Stay.
So
Yeah.
what do I do? How do
You
I let them
leave.
down easy?
You leave.
Yeah.
So there are these few things that I follow when I know that I do not like a man and I want him to hate me, or like I want him to get kicked out by me and just like slowly at least ghost or like just take a step back and stop taking efforts. कभी कभी उल्टा हुआ है मेरा ही प्लान मेरे पे
हाँ.
मतलब बहुत
Obviously.
बार और तभी मैं मतलब दिमाग हिल जाता है मतलब कैसा चूतिया आदमी है.
He's not going by my script. तो चूतिया ही होगा.
Yeah,
I follow my script.
Yeah.
Like, bro, I'm literally telling you I don't want to talk to you. So, and then you go and take efforts. Then you text me at night with a full paragraph in the morning
yeah.
that it's okay. I understand you don't want to talk. You might have been like stressed, and you
Exactly. It's moments like
फिर वो
these which
understanding
drive
बन
us.
जाते हैं.
It's moments like these which drive us to take such drastic decisions and drastic moves.
Yeah, and then there are a few things that I do. One
Okay.
of them is make them feel like I don't remember anything that they have told me ever. So now
Oh.
if we've gone out on dates, like 2-3 dates, and this guy like multiple times mentions that he has a sister whose name is so and so, or he has a brother whose name is so and so, and then later when he'll bring them up in conversations, I'll just be like, oh, who's this? And then they're like, dude, I told you about my sister. I was like, oh, you have a sister?
Oh,
This has happened to me. Like, I have been with a Srishti. I don't know if it was intentional or not, but I can tell you for sure, I will tell you for free, this is pissing off.
Yeah.
Because I am somebody that will remember everything and I can't keep it. I can't keep it. If there's
Yes.
something, this links to something you did 3 years ago, which you told me about, I'm going to tell you.
I remember it. I'm
Yeah.
gonna bring it up in the right moments.
नहीं करने का.
Yes. And then they're so impressed.
They're so impressed.
Once again, sweetheart.
सबको इम्प्रेस वही तो बात है ना, सबको इम्प्रेस नहीं करना होता है.
नहीं, वो
कुछ
but
लोगों को
वो मिडवेशनशिप में वो पॉइंट आता है जब तुम्हें इम्प्रेस नहीं करना होता है ना. You get in the मिडवेशनशिप when you've already impressed them.
correct.
So
हाँ.
the नहीं impress करना point is the middleation.
For me, I start de-impressing in the first go. Like, maybe I don't know. It's like a toxic trait, but I low-key don't see it that way. I am thinking like, if this person is taking a stand when I am being so shitty to them, that means they have a backbone, they have a spine,
Yeah.
and they respect themselves,
More.
which is why I can respect them. Then
Yeah.
I can, be apologetic for my actions, or I can make it work in a better way.
But if I'm intentionally being shitty to somebody and they take it, I lose respect for them.
So that's what
That's
I'm
what she's
saying. Na.
saying.
If they should not be taking it. They should have a
Backbone.
A spine.
A spine.
They should call you out, be like, bro, I
What the
literally
fuck,
told you.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
And one more thing that I do is like make them when we have like a date planned or we have like a thing planned,
Yeah.
a hangout planned, just the two of us. I'll randomly include one of my friend.
Oh yeah.
I have something on that tangent. I'll tell you after this.
So it's like he comes with an expectations
Yeah.
कि हम लोग मिलने वाले हैं, हम लोग मस्त अकेले टाइम स्पेंड करने वाले हैं, we are going to go out, we are going to spend time, कुछ
Yeah.
होगा, whatever. And then in the midway, I'll just sit in the car. I'm like, oh, we have to pick one of my friends.
Oh
by
my
the
god,
way.
she's chosen me so many times. It's horrible.
I've also been there.
Yeah. Zia की घर ले लेते ना. यही है, रास्ते में आ रहा है.
I've done that when I've like meeting a guy for the first time and I want to have a little bit of us time, but then I also don't want him to fully get the idea that, oh, she's come out on a date with me. So you would really slyly include a friend
Yeah.
Yeah.
to test how they are also with other women.
Yeah.
Okay.
You put them in a situation with other women and then you walk out and then
Yeah.
you see how they're treating them
Oh
also.
my god, I'm gonna do
Yes,
this.
I do that a lot.
I'm
That
going to
is
do this. That's
smart.
really good.
Yeah.
Okay, I do something similar, but like it's not the same at all. Actually, it's not even similar. And this is gonna make me sound so shitty.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was seeing some guy at some point in time, and I also had a male friend, not best friend, male friend.
Yeah.
That this guy, he never said it, but the things that I thought lacked in him, okay, that he knew, कि मैंने उसको बोला है कि bro, this lacks in you, but my male friend had that thing. Okay.
Yeah.
My male friend had that thing and he never said it, but every time I brought up this particular male friend, he would either stop the conversation, like he would not engage in that conversation, he would not engage in that story if the male friend is part of that story, or he would just like look away, make a face. Like I could sense that he is not the biggest fan of this male friend.
Yes.
Yeah.
So at the end of it, kind of, when I wanted him to like get the ick from me, I brought this male friend up more and more and
Yeah.
more and more.
Yeah.
I do that with my exes.
I do that with my ex dates that I've been with.
Yep.
So if there's like a guy I'm talking to on like Hinge or something, okay, and then if he is like starting to piss me off by like, okay, so a very recent thing that happened was this guy was like, oh, I don't like cafe dates. They're very vanilla. They're very boring. They feel like an interview. I like to do spontaneous things. And then I very purposely brought up an ex date that I went on,
Yeah.
which was also bad.
Of course.
It was very bad.
But he doesn't need
But
to
he
know.
doesn't
He doesn't need to know.
And I don't bring it up in a way where I'm like, oh, you know, like my ex date was like so much better. I was like, oh yeah, you know, it's funny because like the last date I had been on was a cafe date and was so much fun. So it's funny that you say that because
Yeah.
I have a lot of fun doing that. So
yeah.
like I don't know what you're talking
Yeah.
about. You're
Basically,
different.
you're dumb.
You're dumb. You're different, but like I don't
yeah,
think
yeah.
the vibes
Yeah.
match.
Bye.
I do it so much, and
Yeah.
I know how much guys hate it when girls bring up their ex.
Of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah,
It's textbook.
And I purposely bring it. So if you know I'm saying it over and over, that means I am
the
not
hint.
into you. Just like
take the hint.
like
I
take
wish
a
I
go.
had an ex that I could bring up like that.
Bro,
I don't
bring your
have-
male best friend.
randomly
Just make
say
shit
it.
up.
Men hate men or what?
Men hate
Yes.
other men that have had an
Associated
association with your
your
girl that you're
girl.
talking to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, men will suck other men's balls. and
Yeah.
then, so-
Fair.
Wow.
Have you
And
seen
they will.
men
You know-
on the side of a turf?
Oh my god. I remember there was this time me and my ex, we had gone out somewhere. See, again I'm doing it.
No, I think you're still in love with him.
Called out.
Called
Are you trying to give us the ick? Are you hinting at something we don't know?
तू अकेले बात कर ले.
I am also confused with respect to which one.
When was the last time you were in love, Srishti?
You tell us.
You tell us.
We also lost track actually.
So me and my ex, we had gone out somewhere. Like we were in the same college, and one day we had planned to go to a club. And before that, my ex had bought in like booze, 2 pre-booze for all of us, and he had gotten a water bottle also with him.
Yeah.
And then I was taking that water bottle and I was mixing it with, trying to mix it with the booze. And then he was like, नहीं नहीं वो उसको हाथ मत लगा, वो मेरे दोस्त के लिए, मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड के लिए, उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड के लिए है। और उसको ये वाली जो जिन है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग लगती है और वो खांसता है उसके बाद।
Aw, so caring. So, no.
Yeah,
friends.
bromance,
Bromance.
bromance.
You are nothing. Sorry, Srishti. You are nothing.
तू है
here.
कौन?
Who
तो
are
है
you?
कौन? और by the way, I have met both of these people and they are very much into each other.
They are very
They are
much
very into each other. It's kind
Yes.
of sus.
Anyways.
And there's this one more thing I do, okay, which I think is very, very, very toxic. Girls, please do it at your own risk. I would not suggest you to do
इतनी
this.
risky girls नहीं देखती हमारा वीडियो. तेरे जैसी risky girls.
15 साल के हैं ये लोग.
I would like randomly start talking about, I want to have kids. I want to have a family.
my
Into the living
God.
shit out of them.
No, bro, but the guys I talk to, like, they all want.
गलत लड़के.
I don't know.
गलत लौंडे.
नहीं, मुझे तो ऐसा ही चाहिए ना. मुझे तो शादी करना है. मुझे नहीं करना है मस्ती.
Correct. No, but on a similar tangent, okay. If I've
That'll work on me.
हाँ.
no. But on a similar tangent, when I'm talking to like a guy at length, okay, for like a few days, and I'm the type who usually will bring up the conversation of what are you looking for
Yeah.
a little early on, okay. But if the vibes are good, I'll like hold it off a little bit
Yeah.
to just gauge properly what's the scene, catch a rap, blah,
Yeah.
blah, blah. And then the minute I start getting the ick, okay, I'll be like, oh, so what are you
What
looking
are
for? No. What are you looking for?
What are you looking
And
for?
then they'll say their answer, and then I'll be like, oh, I'm looking for something serious. On Hinge, I will say, I'm looking for something serious.
Shabash.
I'm looking for a relationship.
Oh, I've done that.
Are you, what are you looking for? And then they'll be like, oh, I'm
Just a
I'm
casual
not
thing.
looking for anything serious. I'm looking for something casual. But I think that's a little unusual. And I'm like, babe, what I'm looking for is unusual. I am looking for a healthy serious relationship.
Yeah.
You are not.
Yeah.
You are in the right place for that. I should be on Shadi.com.
I'm the problem.
I should have a profile on Shadi.com actually.
I should have been married by now.
I should, exactly.
You know what? There was a point also where the serious thing reminded me, where I was with a guy, Loki wanted to leave him. So I asked him genuinely, like, these were my words, what are we? And the answer that I got, you are my baby.
Baby.
You are my baby.
And what was the follow-up? Full stop. Baby full
This
stop.
was the full stop.
The silence has spoken
The
so much.
silence is deafening. It was deafening then. It is even more deafening now. And you
It
guys,
backfired.
the problem is that I've never told them this in confidence.
She hasn't.
She hasn't.
I have not told them, and this is so much worse.
That's why this reaction was very real.
This
Yeah,
was-
I got.
Yeah, it was just
And then what did
that.
you say? How did the conversation
What did you say
transpire
I was
afterwards?
so annoyed, bro. I don't remember what I said,
Do
but
you
I
think
remember.
he was doing? He was giving you the ick.
He was giving you
He
an all
definitely
reverse.
was. Do you remember? Okay, do you remember that one time where I had a huge fight with the same guy?
Yeah.
Okay, and I am bringing up things, okay, bro, here's where you went wrong, and here's where you went wrong, and this is this thing. And then he literally asks me, are you happy with me?
Yeah.
He was giving me a cue to out,
Yeah.
to
my
get out,
God.
because he didn't have the balls to do it himself, even though
correct.
this is so cathartic for me, even though he made a promise that he would be the one to leave.
You know, what? This makes me realize?
Wow, what
No.
A lot of
move.
things that that men do.
Yeah.
Not knowing that it's an ick is an ick.
I was literally thinking
Yes.
about that because
Yes.
I feel like
I don't think men are so smart to to distinguish between, oh, if I do
Precisely.
this, she'll think it's an ick. If I do this, she'll like it. No, they're just being themselves.
They don't
and
think.
everything is an ick.
That came from the heart.
that came from the pits of your soul, bro.
But is it not?
It is so true because
It
there was
is,
this
it
one
is.
guy that I was in a very, very mid-relationship with.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which all of us
All
are
of us are
mid.
very mid.
Very mid.
Called out. Why? Why are they doing this to me right now?
Mid, toxic, love a girl.
Love a girl.
हैं? तेरा क्या है? Confused.
मेरे साथ prank हो रहा है. So, I'm telling you, somebody's pranking me, bro. इतना खराब
There's
किसी
like
के
a
साथ नहीं हुआ.
camera at somewhere. There's a camera that's only on Zia's life.
I'm being Truman showed, bro.
Guys, 20 years down the line, there will be a show.
No, there will
Watch
be
it.
a show because it मतलब बद से बदतर होते जा रहा है
हाँ,
मेरा.
भाई.
Yeah.
Like I remember after I left some guy at some point in time, and I was so mad because I wasn't having the feels of a breakup because I didn't like him enough. And then I was like, मेरे साथ इतना बुरा हुआ है, bro. मेरे साथ love bombing भी
मैं
नहीं
मिस
हुई.
भी नहीं कर रही उसको.
मेरे साथ love bombing भी नहीं हुई.
मैं रोज करती हूँ. मैं रोज उठती हूँ, सोचती हूँ आज किसको लव बम करूँ और छोड़ दूँ.
No, because circling back to what you said, it's so true. There was this one guy that I had a very mid relationship with,
Yeah.
and I had gone for I was in college, okay, back then. I had gone for a festival with this guy, and his friends were also there. And on the way back, we were traveling by train, and we were all talking, blah blah blah, blue. And then they asked, or something along the line. I think I had asked. I was like, "Oh, I'll," and I don't know if he put his friends up to this to give me the ick, or if
My God.
I don't think.
no.
It's a group
listen to
affair.
it. And then, like again, I don't think they thought it na, but
Huh.
it's also possible that they did.
Very possible.
But then, I was like, oh, okay, will I see you guys again? Like, you know, I meant it for them,
Yeah.
and they were like, we'll see.
Ooh. Were they all men?
No, there were 2 girls.
They also said that?
We'll see. They said, we'll see.
Oh, what a snarky little bitch. I would have fucked her friend
And
over
then-
so badly that she would have to like stop him from coming back
She
to
would
me.
have to get the walker from that gossip video.
And then this
Watch it.
guy that I was with didn't even defend.
Oh.
Didn't even defend me. He didn't say. He just like laughed it off.
You know, Loki, guys, that's exactly how you guys also sound.
Yes!
to
I was going
multiple-
to say that. I was going to say, do you
to
remember?
multiple-
Oh, fair. I mean,
We do that.
When we do it.
We do it.
When we do
it's
it.
fine.
When we
You
do it, it's
guys,
fine.
that genuinely reminded me of when, do you remember I was mad at this guy and then he came to this mall that we were at
Yeah.
and you were not there. Yeah,
but
bol
I
rahi hai.
remember that happening.
Yeah,
And then you guys did the same thing to him. Because you knew that day was the day that I told you guys that ye mera dimag kha raha hai.
Yeah. But then you know what? We did it when we knew it was on the verge of ending.
Yeah.
We knew what the situation was. We gauged the situation.
Yeah.
And I think, fair, theek, probably a few years back, we were like very, very upfront with hating someone. But
Not really.
उसके बाद एक हफ्ते में खत्म हो गया था.
हाँ, exactly.
Loki, y'all have also done this when I was really into that guy. Like
Exactly.
madly in love with that guy. And so was the guy at that time.
But
actually.
but that was like few years ago, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
and, like, so was the guy. Okay, the guy, actually, Loki, one of the best relationships I was in.
High
The
key.
first, the
High key.
first half of it. And then at that point of time, these girls, they just,
We were rude.
they
In
just
hindsight.
But he
go up
tried,
to-
huh? He really tried.
He
did.
really
Yeah.
did.
Yeah.
They just go up to him and they are like, maybe you might not be at her wedding, but we definitely will be.
That's already a viral video, which I have got so much hate on.
And bitch, you said that it was about another friend sitting next to me.
But then my other friends also sent it to me saying, did you say this about my man? Because you said that to my man also.
See, I think this is one sentence I will let Zia have a pass at.
I stopped saying it because now I know how bad it is with men.
Yeah, fair.
Earlier, I was like, I don't need no man. And now I get it.
Yeah.
They are all like that.
Yeah, true.
All men.
True. But then again,
All men.
All men.
exactly. And then again, when I don't think men are that strategic because there were so many instances where he has blatantly insulted me. What? Like I told you all about the ICSE, SSC thing. And then he's like, oh, you probably don't know this. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
He has said shit like that.
fucking girl.
Yep.
I do that.
Of course you do. Of course you do.
This whole video is us realizing कि हमारे साथ जो जो बुरा हुआ है वो ये करती है.
और आधा तो कर्मा भी है.
कर्मा for being her friend. तेरा बुरा कर्मा हमें मिल रहा है. ये क्या चल रहा है?
I didn't sign up for this.
Okay, मैं तुम लोग को एक बात बताती हूँ.
बता.
मैंने रिसेंटली ये किया था.
बता.
मुझे थोड़ा सा बोर हो रहा था.
अच्छा. बिल्कुल. क्यों नहीं?
So there was this guy I was seeing ऐसे some time ago, and I just called him up. I was like, hi. And he was like, hi, what's up? Tell me, why did you call me? I was like, just, I'm low-key drunk. And then he's like,
Were you?
"Oh, yeah, I was."
Okay.
ऐसे झूठ.
नहीं उसने बोला वो बोर्ड है.
वो
फिर बोल
मस्ती
रही है
के
वो
कुछ
drunk
बोलती है.
तो इसलिए I had to correct my.
ड्रंक होके घर आ गई थी,
अच्छा, हाँ,
थोड़ा
समझा.
जल्दी आ गई थी
हाँ,
और फिर
बाप रे.
बोर हो गई थी.
Crime.
और मेरा स्प्लिट सिला खत्म हो गया था.
It's the worst place to be at.
Exactly.
Hmm.
And then I called him and then I was like, hi. And then he's like, oh, Bol, you called me so random. And I was like, yeah, I'm a little drunk. And then he was like, so you like drunk calling me. So that means you're thinking about me when you're drunk. And then I was like, yeah. Mhm. No. You said yeah. No, I didn't say yeah. I was like, and
She's holding in her laugh.
and the guy was like, और क्या कर रही है? And then,
ये भी लड़की जैसे क्यों बात कर रहा है?
sorry,
लेकिन?
नहीं, बहुत softly.
Why he acting like he has zero gems in episode when he talks to me?
He was like, और क्या कर रही है? And then I was like, कुछ नहीं, अभी सोने जा रही हूँ, bye.
Allah. It's like when you call someone and you're like, hold on, I'm gonna call you back.
It's like, हाँ, क्या कर रही है? सो रही है? नहीं, अच्छा मैं सो रही हूँ पर. And then what happened?
Nothing.
Did you call? Did you call back? He called you back.
आया था, मैंने नहीं उठाया.
तू सो रही थी ना? Real.
Acting role में तो गुस्सा पड़ेगा.
Bro.
I low-key feel so bad. But
भगवान जी इसका
Do you
मुझे
though?
मत
Do you?
देना.
झूठ मत बोल सुश्री, तुझे बुरा नहीं लगा.
मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
कुत्ती हंस रही है तो अभी भी हंस रही है.
पता है एक बार मुझे फ्लावर्स वाली बात से याद है, मैं भूल गई बताने के लिए. लेकिन something that I did, this guy, I was trying to give a nick to this guy for 2 years.
अरे बाप रे.
अच्छा, okay.
समझ आ गया.
तो
बट मैं भूल जाती हूँ ना.
and I'm just like मुझे नहीं पसंद यार, तू मुझे नहीं पसंद. At some point I was
जा
even
इधर
like,
से.
यार ये इतना कर रहा है, maybe should try to like him. Never do that. Girls, listen to
Yeah,
me.
yeah. Oh,
Never. No need only.
Don't try.
No need. और ऐसे मुझे लोग भी बोल रहे थे उस टाइम पे, कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे कि वो सब तो सही कर रहा है, ट्राई कर ले, तूने अभी तक कुछ नहीं किया है, मतलब कब तक ये करेगी. कोई लोग बोल रहे थे मुझे,
कोई लोग बोल तो
कोई तो लोग बोल रहे थे, लेकिन ठीक है मैंने उनकी बात नहीं
थे कोई
सुनी,
लोग.
थैंक गॉड. मैं बहुत मतलब पक गई थी इस इंसान से, ठीक है. और फिर उसको समझ गया और उसने गर्लफ्रेंड बना ली कहीं से, तो
बाप रे.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड, उसका जो भी चल रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी ही इज लाइक बहुत टॉक्सिक है ना ये इंसान, तो वो मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन के रह गया, ठीक है. और मैं भी पागल ही हूँ, क्योंकि वो मुझे बोलता था कि नहीं उसकी कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. तो फिर मैं बोला ठीक है यार, मैं इतनी अच्छी इंसान हूँ, आई एम गॉड्स ब्रेवेस्ट सोल्जर,
You are.
आई स्टे फ्रेंड्स विथ हिम. एंड अभी कॉलेज का एक फेस्ट चल रहा है और मैं गर्ल्स कॉमन रूम में चेंज कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि आई हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ आउटफिट चेंजेस. और नीचे somebody is selling roses with notes on them, okay? This guy is supposed to be my best friend and I'm pretty best friending him at this point in time. He comes to the girls common room, calls me up, says come out, hands me a rose which says some da 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 da. At the end it's signed be mine. He has a girlfriend.
Ew.
He has a girlfriend. and
Disgusting.
I have that rose.
Disgust, as you should.
अबे
With
गांडू.
the note. With the note.
With the note. I actually
Yes.
don't have the fake flower anymore.
Oh.
I lost it.
Oh!
I lost it.
God's
A win
plan.
is a win.
A win is a win.
A win is a win.
God's
Yeah.
plan. Insane.
That had to be there. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh
No, it's
my
fine, it's
god,
fine.
it's so ironic. The real flower is still there. The fake flower
Fake
is
flowers
gone.
gone.
Whoa, that's like
Wow.
poetic. That's like something
Yeah.
about the universe. Like I'm too scared to go and ask my mom because maybe she threw it away. But then she's gonna be like, "Why do you care? It was
Yeah.
signed Srishti."
Yeah.
Mhm.
So it's
So
okay.
best friend gave it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Flowers se meko yaad hai. There was this one time. This guy was not really into me, gotten me very beautiful flowers.
Huh.
And I was very late at home.
Hmm.
And I know my mom was going to be like pissed because I had office.
And then
next
you'll be
day.
late for real. Late Srishti Rani.
Fully. And then my mom opens the door and then I handed her the flowers like, look what I got for you.
Oh my god! You're a dick!
She's not.
Srishti
तो-
is
नहीं।
smart and a player.
तो मैं क्या करती, मैं बोलती मेरी माँ को कोई लड़का दे दिया है मेरे को
She thinks
फ्लावर्स
on her feet.
और मैं लेट आई हूँ इतना. मेरी माँ मेरे को बोले, मतलब पूछेगी नहीं 2 बजे तेरे को कौन सी लड़कियाँ फ्लावर्स दे रही है.
Fair.
Valid.
तो मैंने बोला भाई मैं ले आई. Much
I'm
better.
on her team. This is
Was
very
there a
good.
note or anything?
Nothing.
Pass in the parcel.
Auntie will give it to uncle.
Uncle will give it back to you.
No यार, my dad will get back to my mom only.
अच्छा, उनके
They're
बीच
just
में.
passing the parcel.
बीच में.
आपस में ही. So
Yeah.
the thing is, I've done these toxic things also, and I've done very nice things also for a lot of guys. And I have realized that moment I start doing nice things, no, or I go into my lover girl era, I get fucked over so badly,
That is so
and then
true.
I'm just like, you know what? एक चूतिया के वजह से तेरा
हाँ
भी
भाई,
कट गया.
हाँ भाई.
अभी तू भुगतेगा. अभी ये this is your karma.
This is your karma.
This is
Weird.
your
I
fair.
think one man fucks up and then mankind suffers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I think like one of the nicer things that I've done, which has inevitably given the man an ick, and I may or may not have done that intentionally,
Mhm.
is just be so quick to reply and be so caring.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I have poured my heart out, intentionally or not.
Yeah.
Sent him like photos, send him like, you know, like texts.
Yeah.
Like reply so quickly,
Hmm.
been so like understanding, blah blue. And that has driven them away.
Oh my god.
How do you explain
संजना,
that?
मैंने PS5 गिफ्ट किया है. मैंने
मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे, अगर होते तो मैं दे देती.
मैंने रोज सुबह उठ के खाना बनाया. मैंने रात में आधे नींद में खाना बनाया. मैंने हर बार वो बंदे को जैसे आइस टी पसंद है वैसे आइस टी बना के रेडी
Yeah.
रखी है. रोज कॉलेज जाने से पहले कॉलेज जाने से पहले उसका प्रोटीन शेक रेडी रखा है.
Yeah.
Why are you mothering him?
Bro, exactly. That's what I stopped.
And then,
हाँ, बोल.
and after this, I got fucked over. Then I have started being like, you know what? I don't give two shits about.
And
my
then they come back. That's the thing.
Yeah.
I did the same thing. I stopped. Like, one of the things that I did to turn him off was just stop mothering him.
Yeah.
Like, I think the last month that I was with this guy, I didn't do anything. I think not the month, last like 2 weeks.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, it was only 3 months, so 2 weeks is a lot.
Yeah.
But tabhi, like, I felt like then he wanted to pull more.
Yep.
When
Yeah.
when I was going, he wanted
Exactly,
to pull more.
exactly.
Guys love the chase.
They
Guys
love the
love the
chase.
chase.
And also, I started doing like similar to what you do, like care.
Yeah.
I knew that would put him off. So I did more of that. Like I gave, so we were not an item. There were no labels. There weren't ever going to be labels. It was always going to end.
Yeah.
But still, I would like pick up problems from his life and give him very good, unsolicited advice
They don't want
about very personal. I know they don't want that,
Yeah.
which
That's
is why I
she
did it.
it.
that. Yeah.
Which is why I did it.
Same.
Yeah.
Like very good advice. Like if you take it, then good. Like I'm not doing anything wrong.
yeah.
But I know
Mine
this was. I
yeah.
know this is gonna
Drive you
really-
away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even
For the-
recently, there was this one person I did not want to be friends with after we ended things and all
Yeah.
of that. And he was trying his level best to be
Yeah.
friends with me, actually. Like, he would notice that एक हफ्ता हो गया, 1 महीना हो गया, मेरा कॉल नहीं आया, मेरा टेक्स्ट नहीं आया. तो उसका कोई कुछ ना कुछ वो मुझे भेजता था या फिर मतलब कॉल करता था अचानक से. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक आई कांट बी गोइंग बैक सर्कल्स में एवरी सिंगल टाइम.
Yeah.
एंड देन ऑन वन डे ऑन कॉल आई वाज लाइक अच्छा तो तेरा क्या चल रहा है. एंड देन ही टोल्ड मी ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक यू नो व्हाट व्हाई डोंट यू डू दिस. यू आर लाइक ओल्ड नाउ. लाइक old मतलब वैसा नहीं.
You're like grown up.
You're like grown up now. Like the age that you are at is like a serious age and you need to do something about your life. You just can't be sitting at home and partying every day. And then the person obviously got
Offended. Yeah.
and got very defensive of their
Yeah.
entire situation. And then got irritated.
Yeah.
And said something to me, and then I was like, see, this is exactly why I thought we should have never decided to be friends after ending things. And I hung up.
Oh my god.
And after that, I have not spoken to that person ever.
Yeah.
Love that.
One more thing that you could have done that I really tried to do also. Just start talking astrology.
Oh,
Start talking. Like be like, actually.
that.
So the thing is
I
that
do that.
when you said that and the reaction that he had, I know that if I said that with the guy that I'm talking about, his reaction would be completely different because he's a Capricorn, and I would just be like, yeah, it's because you're a Capricorn. Yeah, that makes sense. That adds up. They hate it.
They hate being analyzed.
संजना सीखना पड़ेगा.
I
थोड़ा सीखना पड़ेगा.
सीखना पड़ेगा.
I had asked this guy what time you were born.
Then the mother also has the ick. His mom also has the ick from you, bro. Because that message has gone to his mom.
Yeah, because bro,
उसको नहीं पता होगा.
कोई भी लड़का जिन भी लड़कों को मैं मिली हूँ किसी भी लड़के को नहीं पता.
उनको बर्थडे भी नहीं याद है उनका.
उनको अरे उनको कौन से डे पे बॉर्न हुए ना वो भी नहीं याद
That's
रहता.
diabolical.
Whoa.
When is you?
Tuesday.
Monday.
Saturday.
Thursday.
Listen to my episode.
Listen to my episode every Thursday.
You didn't know. Now you
You
do.
didn't know, yeah. Now you know.
And then like I know for a fact कि उनको नहीं पता होता और वो जाएंगे वो पूछेंगे अपनी माँ को
no,
और
that
फिर
is- that
जाऊंगी मैं.
and then their moms know obviously.
Yeah.
Their moms obviously know.
Yeah.
कोई तो इसको पट्टी पढ़ा रही है कुछ तो हो रहा है. तू दूर रहे वो लड़की से.
लोग कि
Yeah.
अगर मेरी मॉम का एक लड़का होता तो मेरी मॉम नहीं समझ पाती ये वाले को. ये वाली बात मेरी मॉम को नहीं पता.
Bro, you know another thing that I've noticed is just talking about their moms or like asking how their parents are. Especially if you've asked, if you've been talking to them for a while. And
Even
then,
I've done
no,
that.
you refer to their mom as auntie.
Auntie. And not your mom.
How is auntie doing? Is she okay? Or like she's fine?
How's her knee pain?
How is she taking her meds?
She's taking it.
She's okay.
She's walking now.
She's walking now.
Auntie, I've sent something for auntie. Make sure you give it to her.
Oh my
मैंने ना आंटी के लिए भिजवाया तेरे लिए नहीं.
Yeah, just oh my god, start acting like a wife.
आंटी ने like a wife. आंटी ने मेरे आंटी ने मेरे लिए भेजा है, तेरे लिए नहीं.
Yeah. Oh my God. Just start acting like a bahu.
Bahu. I thought used to ask about his nani also.
Oh, she went there.
फैमिली ट्री पूछ लीजिए.
Bro, मुझे अभी तक एक सेकंड ये वीडियो रोक दो. मैं तुझे फैमिली ट्री सुना सकती हूँ. मुझे सब पता है. आज दिन तक
बंदा कहाँ है जिंदगी से बाहर?
I don't know if he's even in India.
The silence has spoken again.
मुझे उसके नेफ्यू के शू साइज पता है.
ए भाई.
अरे शूज गिफ्ट किए थे उसको यार.
ज़्यादा
She's
हो
into
गया
the
थोड़ा.
nephew's kid.
Something.
लेकिन अगर उसका नेफ्यू छोटा बच्चा है तो वो चेंज हो गया होगा ना अभी तक.
हाँ पर तभी दिए
तब
थे
तो
ना
पता था
जब
ना.
साथ में थे.
तो छोटे बच्चों का वही होता है, सेम ही होता है सबका.
अरे.
पर तूने
पतला हो सकता है, मोटा हो सकता
तूने
है.
उसके नेफ्यू को शूज गिफ्ट किए थे.
हाँ.
बहुत ज्यादा पैसे आ गए थे तेरे
है.
पास.
हाँ
PS5 दे रही है भाई. झूठे क्या ही है.
क्या है यार? ये क्या बात हुई?
Something that I've done is, you have those 1-2 men that keep coming back and then
Yeah.
they go back and then they keep coming back.
Yeah.
The creepers.
Yeah, the creepers.
Mm.
I've done this. I have the same conversation every time that they message me. The same questions. They will have the same reply. I'm gonna have the same reply to their reply.
Rebuttal. Yeah.
They're gonna have a question. I'm gonna reply the same thing. And then it's just, I'm not giving them anything new to cling on to.
These men.
I know I shouldn't have replied to them, but
Yeah.
the fun is when
Yes.
life gets a little bit
Yes.
boring, no? This is the little that
I see
makes you feel good a little bit.
Now I'm low-key proud of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you need to stay.
You need to have your
Because
fun.
honestly, the girls that I've seen bag the most understanding, the most caring men, Loki do not like
Their boyfriend.
their boyfriend.
Yeah.
What?
Men haters.
Yeah,
man
not
haters,
not.
particularly
No,
you're
one
like,
minute. What?
So I have made this observation. This ये थोड़ा सा मेरे घर से आ रहा है, ठीक है?
अरे बाप रे. Issues.
Personal.
थोड़ा पर्सनल है, मजाक मत बनाना. मेरी मॉम ना मेरे डैड को बहुत रोस्ट कर दिया. Obviously she loves him.
Playful roasting. Yeah.
Like obviously she loves him, but she doesn't show her love that much.
Okay.
Her love is very like
That's a
tough
love language.
tough
Fair,
love, silent love maybe. And my dad is very expressive,
Yeah.
very like up in the
Golden
words
retriever.
about how much he loves
That's
her.
my parents also.
कि मतलब गाड़ी पे चढ़ के चिल्लाएगा कि मेरे को मेरी बीवी से बहुत प्यार है, ऐसे टाइप का है.
Okay.
So after that and seeing a lot of other couples, I have made this observation that if you start showing men na that you love them, then they don't reciprocate and then they don't feel like doing that much for you.
No.
Yeah.
I beg to differ. I
beg to differ too.
This is yeah. I mean, not every story is the same, and like,
Correct.
it's different for different couples and different for different people and men and women.
Mhm.
But that I think would work when it's not a serious relationship. When a relationship is very serious.
यार
is-
मेरे पेरेंट्स की शादी हो
नहीं नहीं नहीं. I'm saying जो तू बोल रही है. Not your parents'
मेरे
situation.
पेरेंट्स की
I
शादी
know,
हो
one
चुकी है.
minute.
मेरे पेरेंट्स के तो बच्चे हैं.
One minute. Your parents' ka situation, the hard love and the reciprocating in a lovey way is a very serious couple thing to do.
Yeah.
If you're not so serious in a relationship, the thing that you said about men not reciprocating back, that happens in a not so serious relationship is what I'm trying to say.
I've never gone that far, so I don't
okay.
know.
You get it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I kind of do. I kind of do.
It ties back to men like to be chasers. When
Yeah.
you drift away is when they'll take 2 more steps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if you walk 2 steps, they won't walk even
Yeah.
1 step aage.
Yeah.
And I feel again it's very, very subjective.
Yeah.
This trope of like, the golden retriever boyfriend and the black cat girlfriend is
Yeah.
a very common trope. But I also feel that there's another set of
yeah.
couples and people who riff off of having
Yeah.
an equal
Effort,
yeah.
effort
Effort
and
and
everything.
everything.
Yeah.
So I think it's very subjective.
One
from
very
person to
drastic
person.
step I took, I remember this very vividly. This guy loved my hair. Just really loved it, right? I have a great hairline and
You
all of
do.
that. So he used to always touch it and play with it and all of that. At some point, I was like, I need him to stop doing that. So, you know how you plan your wash days
Yeah.
around when you meet a man? I stopped. I used to go with dirty hair.
And then
And-
his hand is
Yeah,
full of
I'm like, no, stop doing that.
Tel
It's-
aa gaya.
well, yeah, tail hair. It's dirty. Don't
थोड़ा
touch.
Jew है. ये क्या गया?
Why? Guys, I don't have lice. Actually, Jew.
Jews.
Jew. वो lice की बात कर रही थी.
But
Lies
मुझे-
by lies.
हाँ,
Roshni, lies.
Kanye West cancel हो चुका है.
Yeah, Jews are not living on her head.
और lies मतलब झूठ नहीं है भाई.
That's what she said. Imagine you can say the word Jews, guys. It's not
You can say the word Jews, but you okay.
So there's this one more thing that I really do, and I find it damn funny, and I enjoy it a lot.
Okay.
Is the fact that if I low-key want them to like start hating me or like just
Get
moving out-
repelled, yeah.
get icked out by me, I would suddenly become extremely possessive, like very very possessive.
They like it though sometimes.
Huh, huh. Once I realize that they like that, then I'll be like, no, are you mad? I genuinely respect the friendship you have with
With
that
your
girl.
ex. I love you're still in touch with your ex. It
Ex.
shows me how evolved you are.
Yes.
How open-minded you are.
How mature you are.
Next time we're on a date night, call her.
Please.
I-
I want to meet her. I want to meet her.
I genuinely
your
want to
ex.
meet her.
Yeah.
And I feel you should gift this to her on her birthday.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, she has gone there.
Oh, you got me flowers. Did you get her some?
इसमें से ले ले.
It's Mr. Lele.
I think your ex is very drunk. You should drop her home.
Yeah.
That's a good
Ooh, my
one.
God.
That's a good one.
So I think something I do a little opposite of what she said. So if a guy is like, telling me something and I'm giving him like advice or something, and if he doesn't listen, I'm like, ठीक है भाई तेरी मर्जी.
Oh.
तेरी मर्जी.
No, you gotta tell them, like, you gotta guide them though. They like it.
See, because sometimes, like you said, you're supposed to stop
Yeah.
mothering them. This is the stop mothering them. Right. They come to you
Yeah.
at times. Okay, this is very subjective.
Yeah,
This happen every time. But like when when a man comes to you with like some advice
Yeah,
or like, ये problem चल रहा है, क्या करूँ ये वो, very rarely.
Yeah.
Very rare. जो तुझे ठीक लगे कर ले.
Yeah.
But don't deep, मतलब ज़्यादा deep जाओ ही मत
Again,
problem में.
Ritika, that's what they want, na? Why are you giving them what they want? We are
One.
trying to make them ache and
No,
leave.
that's what I'm saying. It sometimes works.
Yeah, it's a
It
very
sometimes
one-off
works.
situation.
Ritu, what it is now when you tell him that you do what you want, you are also telling him that I am your woman and I agree with whatever you,
You want.
agree
I
with.
trust you.
You are a strong man who knows how to make good decisions.
Yes. Yeah.
Which is
Yes.
not true.
But it has worked with
And
me.
even if it is
Okay.
true, even if it is true,
Yes.
you don't want to make them feel like they are capable of making good decisions.
They are
Yeah,
not.
they're not. See, that's the whole point of them coming to you, right? Because they want to
Yeah.
come to you to be like, oh my God, you're my woman. I know, I trust you. I know what to do.
Yeah, just
But
give
then,
me, they want a yes man.
exactly.
Yeah.
They want a yes man. That's what they want.
Precisely.
Yeah. And
So what happened with the person that did not like when I did this?
That's a subject. That's a one-off.
You've been with really odd people. Like
Questionable men, for sure.
the thing is
I don't know
that
how to categorize the men that you've been with, is my point. Basically, that's my point.
Yeah.
But something that has also worked wonders for me, okay? And okay, now I hate lowering my standards like that. I hate playing dumb, okay? I will,
you have the highest standards out of all of us, though.
yeah.
yeah, and that's
Yeah.
why it's very difficult for me to do this,
Yeah.
which is why I pull this move so rarely. if you pissed me the fuck off is when I will pull this
mid
move.
as hell.
Oh my God, you have to be so bad for me
Yeah.
to pull this move.
Yeah.
I will play dumb.
Oh
I will
my
ask you to explain a joke to me. I will be like, what? I didn't understand that. Explain
They love
now.
it.
No men like that.
They love it.
No,
You have to be
but
the
that's the thing. That's the thing. It's only when you're okay. At least for me, I can't even say that I don't entertain shitty men because that's the kind of men I attract. That is my type, unfortunately. But I'm saying the intellectual men that I've been with.
Yeah.
If they expect me to know, right? Because how can you come from SSC school, Ritika? You can't come from SSC school. You have to be ICSE or
IB.
CBSE or IB.
Agreed.
So I will ask them to explain a joke to me, and then that'll give them the, because they're like, oh, how do you not already know this very niche topic by Shakespeare?
No, can I tell you also something? I've been with somebody and I asked them why was 6 afraid of 7 and they did not know the answer to that.
Yeah, because I bet he was from ICSE.
You know who he was. What? Okay, guys, why is 6 afraid of 7?
Yeah, because 7, 8, 9.
When did they teach you this?
In like 3rd grade?
Like,
It comes to
this
you.
is a joke.
It comes
This
to
is
you.
the first joke ever.
Yeah.
No, not only that, like he pulls his best friend and he's like, भाई ये कुछ पूछ रही है.
Oh no.
मैंने उसको पूछा, why is 6 afraid of 7? वो दोनों को नहीं पता था, bro.
best friend.
And they were arguing with me, saying, what is this joke?
गलत संगत.
तू गलत है.
मैं गलत हूँ भाई.
तू गलत है.
गलत हूँ.
Jokes बकवास है भाई. वो बकवास नहीं थे.
That's the thing. Apart from them being so shitty,
Yeah.
are there anything? Is there like anything that you guys have stayed, even after knowing how shitty this man is?
Icks
Or
that I got, but I still stayed. I stayed despite all
Can
of
I
these
just
icks.
say, literally not my type.
No,
They have
real.
not been my type and I have stayed. Period. Been ugly and I've stayed.
Bro,
Bad grammar and I've stayed.
bad grammar, I've stayed every single time without fail. 4 inches shorter. I have every single time stayed. Every single time.
The silence. The silence.
I think
Deafening again.
It's so sad because I don't share this side of me at all. I think it's very embarrassing and I endured that. And now I'm saying this all on air and everything I've said this whole episode, they're all silent.
Had yeah, true.
Yeah.
Had breakfast without brushing, and I stayed.
Sanjana, that's
That's disgusting for
This is
me.
about guys. Shut up. Not about your best friend.
Okay,
Fake
okay.
accent that came and went.
Oh my god. That is
Okay,
so
okay.
true.
Sent a picture of me to his ex without my face, and I stayed.
Too soon. Too soon. Too soon.
It's not.
The wound is still fresh.
The wound is fresh.
There is no wound.
There's no wound. Yeah.
There's no wound, Sanjana.
It was a bruise and it's gone.
It was a scratch.
Mosquito bite.
Boil.
Worsen it, no. Worsen it more.
Pimple.
Oh. He refused to make a reservation.
What do you mean refused?
Means
What do you mean refused, Zia?
What the fuck?
like I've told him every time I'm taking the initiative, okay, we are going out now, I'm taking initiative, I will always make the reservation because guys, Bombay, like
Yeah.
at night on weekends, it's difficult to get into places. It's a very common thing
It's
to
a
go
book
Bombay hai
pissing
bahar.
off thing. Yeah.
very pissing off thing. And every time he's like, okay, next time I'll make a reservation. Next time I make a reservation, and I never did it. He never did it, and I stayed.
Make me lose my nose ring, and I still
Oh
stayed.
no! Tell the story. Like
Okay.
they deserve to know the story.
This needs to be
And
said.
She stayed after for like 2
And
years
she
after
still
that.
doesn't have a fucking nose ring. And
Yeah,
I'm mad
because
at her for that.
I can't
Pierce it again.
have it pierced again. No, it's very painful. So I used to wear nose rings, as you guys know. A lot of you guys would like compliment me also on that it would really suit my face and everything. So I was dating this guy, and there was this one time we had gone out for parties. Like we were like bar hopping,
Yeah.
and a couple of guys, like on multiple occasions of that night, just came up to me and complimented my nose ring. And I have not entertained them. Like I genuinely have not entertained them because I was in a relationship. वैसे मैं उतनी ज़्यादा toxic भी नहीं हूँ.
हाँ नहीं, as a
मैंने
girlfriend you're
एक
very
बार-
nice.
एक दो बार किया था मैंने क्योंकि झगड़ा हो गया था. But
Valid
this time मैंने नहीं किया था. And this guy, he got so pissed. And then he asked me to remove my nose. First though, he had a fight with me because they approached me.
Fucking
Yeah.
loser.
Like it's your fault.
And I was so dumbfounded, and I was like just having a nice time. And I did not want to like ruin my mood
Yeah.
or anything. So I was like, no, I'm not interested in talking to you. I just said it with like this face. He was like, no, you were smiling at them. And that is what men want and all of that. And then
Is it her fault
he-
for being polite?
he had a fight with me on that, and then he made me remove my nose ring.
Made you. Ugh.
Yeah, and then he kept the nose ring away from me for like 8 to 10 days so that
The
like,
whole stops.
the whole stops, and then I never get to wear it. और उसने ये करने से पहले मेरे को पूछा था कि तू कितने दिन बिना नोज रिंग के रह सकती है और वो बुझ नहीं जाएगा.
yeah.
She stayed
Yeah.
for a year and a half
And
at
we
least
came to
after
know
that.
of this
Very
Way
recently.
later.
Way
Yeah.
later.
Way later.
I didn't know he asked you that for how long
Did
he can
any
stay.
of us ask her, hey, why did you take your nose ring off? Did she lie?
I did.
What did she say?
I don't remember what she said.
She just said she removed it. Like
Yeah.
I don't remember. I just don't remember her giving us this reason.
I
Yeah.
didn't make
I
up a
remember
lie.
asking her because
Yeah.
I just
I
said
remember-
मैंने निकाल दिया.
Yeah, but you concealed the truth from us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Depressing.
Depressing as
oh my
fuck.
god, another
okay.
thing that women shouldn't do.
Oh,
Women
I
shouldn't do.
have one good. I have one good one
Finish,
also.
no? She
Go on.
started first.
No, she's going to start a new point.
No, I'm just saying one thing. It's not like a new.
No, we were doing the rapid fire on X.
Go on,
na?
go on.
One more great thing. So, my ex went Goa with his ex, and I still stayed.
Oh yeah.
And he lied to her.
He lied to her. She had a few rules. Okay, you will not sit in the same car shotgun with her. And he did the exact thing which he found out through a burial.
Through her burial.
Through the ex's burial during the interval of the Taylor Swift movie.
This is personal to Zia more than it is to
kind of
Srishti.
personal to me.
Pension.
Because I'm mad at her also. Like, I know you are now friends with that ex.
Yeah.
I still don't like her.
She watches us
Her
yeah,
or him by ex?
during lunchtime. She watches us.
Guys, but at the end of the day, she believed he lied.
Yeah, what were you saying?
Ritu?
Ritu?
I was saying something.
I was saying that one thing that women shouldn't do is, I mean, I know that you sometimes don't tell your friends everything that
Haan ji.
your man fucks. When your man fucks up, you tend to keep certain things to
Yeah.
yourself because
Yes.
you don't want to create a
Certain
bad
things, I
picture.
think I keep everything. Later on only it'll come out.
हाँ,
The
समझ में
after
आ-
breakup
समझ में आ
wala
गया.
debrief
Yeah.
is insane.
Yeah.
But whilst the relationship also, certain things that are not so big, I don't think you should not tell your friends about it. I think it's important to tell your friends
Like?
those certain things that they fuck up.
Like?
Like anything in
Acha,
general.
I thought you were bringing
no,
up
no, no,
a-
no. I'm just saying, from what she said, I had the thought. It's like a very
Yeah, for
side
sure,
note.
for sure.
Oh, you
One
shouldn't.
ick I stayed after. You guys obviously know it. Let me tell
Oh,
them.
I have one more. Go on.
Yeah, let me tell them. So we were on a date at a bar, at a college bar, and the thing is that he was not from Bombay and I was.
Yeah.
So when I go into this bar, obviously, like a lot of my college people are there, and I was like kind of opposed to this going to this place because I just knew that my friends would be there, and I didn't know this guy very well,
Yeah.
and I still went. And I, of course, inevitably Friday night, I found a lot of my friends there, and they by default got introduced to him. Now I'm not somebody shitty who's gonna introduce my date as my friend. This is my date, this is my date. It's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
Right? All of my friends now know that it's my date.
Hmm.
And it's the date is going horribly, by the way. We're standing next to the bar. There's some match playing. It's not his team. He's not drinking. I don't drink. We are just stood at this bar watching this match when one of my friends taps me on the back and says that they're leaving. So I say, okay, I'm just gonna go out and I'm gonna just say bye to my friends. He's like, okay. And then I say, I'm gonna go now. And he says, okay. Does not accompany me. Going out with my friends, knowing that we were on a date.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it's odd, right?
Yes,
I
it's
go.
just
I will
basic
obviously
decency.
found a friend at the door of the club, and he was like, "Oh, where's your date?" And I was like, "He's watching the match."
See,
Imagine the embarrassment
Yeah.
that I had.
It's like when you tell a friend who you're close to about a date that you're on or like a situationship you're with.
Yeah.
It's so embarrassing.
It's so humbling.
It's like, oh my god, I want to die right now.
Yeah.
It's mortifying.
Yeah. I can't, bro. I can't.
She got so depressed for a bit.
This is embarrassing for me. Yeah,
You were
no.
saying one.
Yeah, another ick. My whoever, blah blah
Blah blah blue.
blah
Blah,
blah blue, did not like my best friends and I still stayed.
Oh.
Oh, we have to discuss this.
We know, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know it.
Yeah, y'all know it.
Yeah.
That's why I said blah blah blue.
Blah blah
Hmm.
blue.
That's a huge.
Yeah, that's a huge ick. to stay after.
Wow, you don't like my friends? Actually, yeah, I once had.
I never
Somebody-
liked my ex's friends.
Yeah, but you don't tell them that.
Yeah, I don't tell
You
them.
don't tell them.
Yeah, I treat them very nicely.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I once.
If this person is coming up and telling me I don't like these people.
I once had somebody watch a Besharam episode, and he tells me, he has the balls to tell me, hey Zia, you like carry the show. I don't think your friends are as interesting as you are.
Acha, this also he said. The second time he didn't tell us.
No, she
No,
did.
she did.
Acha,
And
not
we had a
interesting.
discussion on this.
Acha, okay. Interesting is as okay.
What do you think, bro? Who are you? Kal ka aaya hua.
Paad.
तू है तू तू इन लोगों से
Yeah.
I will bring what I said the last time also. I would like if my man said that. The ick is when your whoever man situation
Situationship.
whatever does not like your friends.
Yeah,
Very
and he
true.
said that to you.
Yeah, one thing is you not liking them. The other is when you tell me that.
The thing is that I remember exactly the moment that he must have thought that it was the day that outside of college you made me meet him. And she made me meet him, and I was literally like, Dhritika, this guy's not good. Like, he's so bhondu looking. Like, I don't want you to be with him. You are such a diva, baddie, chatpata, baddie girl. And I told her this. And then I was like, okay, I don't want to meet him. So you go talk to him. I'm going to stand here. And I kept seeing him like looking, yeah, like, abhi aayegi mujhe hi bolne. In fact, usko aana chahiye tha, mujhe hi bolne.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there have been times where even I have disliked my
Yeah,
whoever.
but you wouldn't tell
friends.
them, na.
Exactly. I would never tell them, and I would always make them feel very included and nice.
Yeah.
Or at least
True.
I would make an effort, correct, to like them.
Even
first.
if you're lying or like putting on a show, that's very considerate.
That's very considerate.
Yeah.
That's just
being good, being a
nice.
good human.
Yeah, being
Yeah.
nice. True.
Yeah. I once told somebody, listen, I'm very considerate. And then he kept bringing it up after. Oh, you're so
Understandable.
considerate, right? You're so considerate, right? Why don't you consider?
Yuck.
मतलब considerate भी नहीं बनने का अभी
एक
मतलब बुरा
Stayed.
इंसान ही बनने का है
Stayed.
इसका ये पूरा एपिसोड का एक ही conclusion है be a bad person
Yeah, I think just be upfront, be bad,
yeah
and then face it. Like,
Yeah.
deal with the consequences.
Yeah.
I think it's better to be bad upfront and then get them out of the way
Yeah.
than
Yeah.
then be
Be good and
constantly
deal
playing
with
I'm
that.
sorry, you can't say baddie without bad.
Fair.
yep
You can't.
Fair.
real and we're all baddies
We really are. And I think everyone watching this also, I can sense it from the screen. Like, I feel like you're a baddie and I love you and you deserve the world.
Yeah.
And when anybody,
हाँ भाई
anybody offers you anything, even a little less than the world, you tell them to their face, hey, I deserve the world. So fuck off.
Just flip everyone off.
yeah
Yeah.
Just flip
Genuinely.
everyone off.
Yeah.
You deserve everything. You've done nothing wrong, and I
Yeah.
love you.
And I think since we all deserve the entire world, that should be the emoji we
Emo-
comment.
Yes.
Yes, the world,
world, the
emoji.
globe. Guys, that's my name also.
That's your?
Srishti.
Name.
Oh.
Srishti means yeah.
Yes. Comment the world, and we will know you have watched until the end and that you deserve the world.
Yes.
And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I got you.
Yep.
Hype this video, like this video, share this with all the baddies that you know.
Yeah.
Comment nice things. And yeah.
And if you're watching us on Instagram at any point, watch our reels, like our stuff, and comment on it. Let us know in DMs what you want us to do next, and follow us at We Are Besharam.
And if you're listening to us on Spotify, make sure you give us a good rating. We need those 5 stars, babe. Come on, you're a baddie, you're a bitch. Give us those 5 stars.
You're a bad bitch. I love that.
And until next time, stay Besharam.
Bye.